It's time to play Sonic. The gang's all here. But we can't forget everyone's favorite Eggman. Looks like Amy Rose needs to scramble some eggs. Careful now, breakfast will be over in a bit. Uh-oh, we broke the screen! Well, time for some hands-on experience. Let's dig into all those little bits and pieces. And don't worry, from the ashes, we can rebuild. It's alive! Alive! Well, artificially, but still! Ooh, the Sonic Gang is having a camp out. Let's just hope there's enough marshmallows to go around.
Run! It's an evil robot!
Sure, robots don't eat, but his doctor buddy looks hungry. He sure has an appetite for world power. Maybe you should put down the stick. Because it looks like it's time for you to go fast.
Go!
It's time to crack some eggs. Yeah, I'll be here all day. Now let's get back to camping. Chili dogs, anyone? Wow, now that's what I call a squishy Sonic. What big eyes! And he's always wanted to be taller. But this might take a few more adjustments. Just trim off a little and hook him up to our machine. See? I always knew there was room for growth with him. Careful now, I think he's getting a big head. But he's still a lot of fun. He's practically our blue bouncing ball. Ooh, this fidget spinner kind of looks familiar. That's it. It looks like Sonic's legs when he's on the go. In fact, we could take advantage of the resemblance. Whether 2D or 3D, Sonic's got a need for speed. But it looks like Eggman wants to get moving too. Easy fix. We just need a paper clip. Just twist it up and hook it to this little box. Now, Dr. Eggman, why don't you take a seat? Want to go for a stroll? It does the walking for you. Amy Rose has got a full tank of gas. And you know she's not afraid to use it. Look, this tricked out car has a few tricks of its own. Though I hope she's got a seatbelt and maybe a helmet. What she needs is a road to rage on. And we'll give her plenty of cars to keep her company. Now hook it up. We want to keep things all in one place.
Vroom, vroom.
Why don't we call one of our old Sprunky friends to help? Keep your eyes out, Oren. Let's make sure Amy is safe. Then again, maybe we need to keep everyone safe from her. Our clay pals are all smiles, literally. Plus, they're all really fun to squish up. Though, be careful, they don't really unsquish. But they do seem to have a bunch of fun treats inside. Wow! A ring! Diamond sold separately. I wonder what other goodies they've got for us. Oh, look! Knuckles has another gem, too!
Ooh.
Ah, jewels. You can never have too many. But let's see what Eggman's got in store for us. Well, there's only one way to find out. A cockroach. But it could be worse. It could always be a distraction. Sonic's got a special surprise for you. It's a great big blue balloon. Ooh, watch your spikes. We can't pop it. It's gonna be our next craft. Cover it up with glue. Remember, make paste, not waste. Sonic, you've got paper stuck to your shoe. Why don't we put it to better use? Like paper mache. It'd be a shame to let all that blue go to waste. The balloon did its job. It can take a break. And this shell could use our favorite hedgehog. Oh, you went to the ice cream stand? Wait, stand. That gives me an idea. Make Sonic his own stand. This will really help him light up the room. There's a reason Sonic's everyone's favorite hedgehog. Looks like our next craft's gonna use cardboard paper. We're making an Amy Rose style camera. It's got her name on it, and her face. Just push her buttons and she'll snap that shot. Of course, catching Sonic's no easy task. You did it! And Dr. Eggman acts like it's hard. Enlarge! Who knew Sonic was so photogenic? In fact, save that photo for later. Of course, we could sure use the rest of him. Sonic might be flatter than normal, but he's still got moves. And Knuckles is never far behind. Sonic's a speedster, even when in bath bomb form. But it's more fun for bath bombs to sit back and soak. Maybe we should have used a bigger bathtub. But we can still have some fun. Oh, the ring from before. Talk about a callback. Sure beats catching fish in a barrel. Ooh, reel it in. You've caught yourself a Sonic. Let's hope he washed behind the spikes. Plus Tails and all our other friends. It's party time. Let's dance. Either way, hope you like your new digs. Yay! Aren't you gonna carry Pinky over the threshold? Wait, new furniture doesn't come with the house? Guess it's too late to move into a department store. Aw, don't cry, Pinky. But I would watch where you step. Maybe we should make something to help. You'll be stepping tall with the help of these heels. And there's a little distance between all this mess. Plus, now you're always ready to go disco dancing. They also come in handy with stepping on pests. 'Cause it looks like this place is crawling with them. Oren's on the job. Just take a band and slice it in half. We can use it to whip up a handy grabber. Come on, Oren. Time to get that bugaboo. Okay, Mr. Spider, it's time to go. Here, we packed your bag. He seemed nice. Oh, Oren, you're a mess! And all that dust can't be good for your allergies. Let's make something that can help. Ooh, talk about skeletons in the closet. And it's a water closet by the looks of it. It's a shower, so make a spot to keep the soap. And a nice mirror really lights up the room. Next, let's buff those ears. Just kidding, it's a shower head. And you gotta have some temperature control. Come on, Oren, why don't you try it out?
Okay.
And the curtain gives some much-needed privacy. A shower and laundry all in one. Huh, now that's efficient. Almost done. Ooh, guess that suit was dry clean only. Uh-oh, you could really use some chairs around here. Pinky, get him out of this crazy thing! Oren simply wasn't meant to be a turtle. Besides, I think we can put this box to better use. Just fill it up with some crumpled up newspaper. Once it's full, repeat with a few more boxes. Soon enough, a couch will pretty much build itself. It could use a cover. A blanket will suffice. And you can't forget some fuzzy pillows. Now you can sit back, relax, and watch TV. Of course, it would help if you had a TV. Though, personally, I prefer online videos. But to each their own. Ooh, antennae! Oren really puts himself in his work. But Pinky wants to know if it gets streaming. After all, she needs to catch up on her stories. Ooh, I've seen this. It's a really good part. This scene is a really romantic one. Aw, isn't it great when art imitates life? Okay, you built a TV, the important part. But you'll want something to eat to watch TV to. I guess we should start with a table. Now let's make a pizza. Pick your favorite toppings.
Ouch!
Hey.
Of course, you're gonna want some cheese. No offense to any tomato pie fans out there.
Okay.
Some people also like cold pizza, but not like this, so let's heat them up. Silly Oren, that's not what you use to cook a pizza. Pinky's always had her heart set on a brick oven. But for the time being, a microwave will suffice. You just can't beat the convenience. Okay, we're getting hungry. Plop it in there. Not even 2 minutes, but it's still too much. Give it time to cool. That's enough. Let's dig in. Ah, a good cheese pull is really a work of art. Literally in this case. Save me a slice. The only thing better than pizza is the after pizza nap. But we're gonna whip up something big first. 'Cause Pinky wants to sleep under the stars. Kinda defeats the whole point of getting a house. Still, a mini aluminum star room really lights up the room. Granted, the fairy lights do most of the work. Now kick back with a blanket and pillows.
Hey.
Count the stars. It works better than sheep. Of course, you can't sleep your lives away. Trust me, I tried. It just doesn't work. which means it's time for coffee. So we're gonna need to make a machine, a coffee machine. Oren likes his morning brew extra sweet. And you've gotta have some calcium. Wow! Nothing beats a good cup of joe. Not that we have anything against tea. Ooh, looks like you've made enough for two. Let's just hope Pinky doesn't take her stuff back. Either way, it looks like she wants to make something first. And I don't think it's coasters. This should spring things into action. It's all part of our new vending machine. Now fill it up with all sorts of treats. And just in time for breakfast, too. Okay, Oren, what do you want to eat? Ah, chocolate cereal, an excellent choice. And it's a good thing you saved some milk. Cheers! What a great way to start the day. That was fun. Now it's time to fix yourself up. Oh no! That was Pinky's favorite makeup! Calm down. No use crying over spilled rouge. Besides, we can make you a whole new beauty box. And you know it works. It's got glitter. Hey Pinky, can we see your ring for a moment? Here's a trick. From simple box to a mini vanity. Why don't we add a personal Pinky touch? Oh, don't cry, Pinky. We've got a surprise for you. Now you can make yourself even more beautiful. Next up, step right in and try this on for size. It's your brand new crinoline, but it needs something. Like fluffy pink sweaters, it's a skirt. One that doubles as a pink Christmas tree. But first, let's dance. Hold on, what's that smell? Oh no! Just look at these poor houseplants. Sorry, but they're going in the compost heap. Maybe we can put this cup to better use. Cut it up, and soon it'll be our new flower. And this one doesn't need any water or soil, meaning it will always have a happy face. Look, we've got a whole bouquet. Let's make you all nice and comfortable. Ah, really takes you back to Sprunky Land. Wow, you guys really turned this old house into a home. You guys really should have had one of those home makeover shows. But all in all, we've had a busy day. You two should take a nap. You deserve it.